Thank you very much, guys. I'm Deep, the co-founder and the CEO of Agiliux. A lot of InsurTech companies, of course, you are talking to them, seeing them outside, right? Most of them are working on the B2C side, selling health, life, and all kind of products. We are a little bit different. We do software for insurance brokers selling the corporate or the commercial insurance. So what I'll be sharing with you today is that how that whole thing works in that scenario, what kind of products we do. Of course, there are multiple products we do. Today, I'll be just sharing on the online one, how we do that over here. Bit of a background, we started in Malaysia, and 2 years back, when through the mid of the pandemic, we launched this whole Agiliux, and now we got offices in Malaysia, Singapore, and India, and working with a lot of partners and customers. These are the 3 products that we offer, focusing on 3 different areas. One is Agiliux Commercial, which is purely for the brokers, both reinsurance brokers and the direct insurance brokers. And Agiliux Retail is where product is mainly focusing on brokers, but of course the insurance companies and the agencies and InsurTechs also can utilize this product. It's basically to sell things online, which is what I'll be showing you the demo. And the third one is industry vertical CRM application for the insurance agencies. There are a lot of CRMs available, HubSpot, Zoho, Salesforce, but most of them are the generic ones. So our CRM is very specific to insurance. So you have ready modules for the policies, claims, renewals, and all this kind of stuff. So that is the kind of a difference what we do in this CRM kind of an activity. So now I'll tell a little bit about what is our Agiliux Retail, bit of an intro kind of a thing, then I'll go to the product. So everything starts from the core backend system, we call it as Agiliux back office, where basically you configure your products. You want to sell products online, you want to sell products through mobile apps, you want to sell through agencies, all of that you manage from a common platform. Multiple channels are available, which is a low-code, no-code kind of a platform. You start with defining your products, then associate those products with different channels. Channel could be a website, channel could be a mobile app, channel could be agency system, or these days the new thing which is coming up, not that new, but a lot of things are happening is on the embedded also. So idea of this software or why we designed it this way is that you want to manage all your retail distribution from a common platform. So that all your reporting, your regulatory stuff and all that, claim processing, we do claim submission, not really processing, claim submission, and the customer self-service. So I'll give you one example. As an insurance company, I work with a lot of InsurTechs. Every InsurTech has their own systems. So month end, they'll give me the whole data in Excels or CSVs or whatever, whereby I have to consolidate all of that for my sales reporting. Here, using this platform, if this is used by, say, insurance company, though actually they can manage all of their InsurTechs, all of their agency systems, all of their self-servicing or the direct to customer, all into one common system. And we work with a partner, they are also outside InsurMo, whereby integrating with the multiple insurance companies is kind of a breeze. So we don't have to struggle with integrating with every insurance company one-on-one. Working with the InsurMo actually helps us to do that. So that's about it on my presentation. Now I'll show you quickly what we do as in the software. So this is one sample website which we have created just to give you an idea. There is no limit on what kind of products we can do. I have 3 examples of made insurance, cancer, and all that. The 2 things I'll show you. One is I'll show you the backend system, where how do you configure the products. Second, I'll show you the customer journey, which can be varied depending on what kind of customer target base is, and then how you do the reporting side. So I'll log into this backend system. Like any kind of enterprise application, you'll have some kind of a dashboards. I'm into sales, I want to see the new leads, new abandoned carts, wherever am I sale, new sales. If I'm into renewals, I'll see policies which are expiring. If I'm into claims, I want to see who are the new claim submission, which claims are pending some data documents or whatever. So basically the dashboards for your the backend guys who's looking at this commercial thing. Of course, I won't go into detail of everything. I'll show you just one aspect where we create a product. And let me search for a product called Smart. So this is the product where, if you see, I don't know if you can read there, right? There are 5 different steps you need to create a product. The basic details of a product, this product is from which company, some collateral, some videos, some brochures. And then how do you sell this product? The product, how's the pricing calculated? In certain cases, pricing can be configured within the system. Most of the cases on the retail, pricing has to be pulled from the insurer backends, so where we integrate with the APIs. And the third one is the generation of the policy certificates and all that. So on the fly, we can generate and customer can download or email it to them. And there could be some, for the website, right? You may have some FAQs, you may have some documents to download. All of that you configure in here. The best part in this whole thing is that ongoing time, you don't really need to depend on the developer or the designer to do things. You can come here, change things. Okay, I don't want to show this product, make it inactive, product is gone from your website. A lot of those kind of stuff. I want to add a new FAQ. I want to upload another brochure in here. All of that stuff actually is configured in here. All click, click, click kind of stuff. You design your template of the insurance certificate, how the whole thing will look like, and all of this thing will go. I won't go into detail, as I said, but let me show you the front end. So this is the front end, which can be designed and built the way you want. It can be an app, it can be a system. For example, I want to get into this particular product, say this insurance cash. Click on first button. It will show me whatever I've configured in the product. It will show me everything about that product. High level, the title, the description, any videos, all of this information is coming from the backend. So say you want some changes to be done in this exclusion. Just go to the backend, change certain thing, and it's all there. So no dependency on the FAQs, documents like here. You can see this document brochure. You can just download the brochure. So all of this is configured in the backend. Something changed in the document, just upload the new document. It's all there. You can put an approval process, of course, if you want to do that, but still it's all click, click kind of stuff, right? Suppose this guy says, okay, I want to get a quotation. Now, here we do two modes of the software. If I'm an insurance company, probably I'll have products only from my company. But if I'm a broker or a bank, I may have products from multiple insurance companies. So you want to do it in a marketplace kind of where you can compare the products from multiple. So two modules are there. This is the first one where it's a single product. So I just clicked on Cancer Cash. It will show, this page also is configured in the backend. This will show you what options are there for you to choose your cancer product, right? It could be based on maybe, I don't know, age group. It varies with the product, male, female, how much coverage you want, any dependence. If you see on the right-hand side, right, this premium is being pulled from the insurance company and dynamically show you. So that way, nobody has to call or whatever. Straight away, all of these things will happen online. Then you go next. Certain cases, you want this thing to be in terms of, this is configurable. You want login beforehand, you want login at the end before payment. All can be configured. In this case, we say, okay, after this one, you want to show the login. Go next. Then there is a flow. One is you fill up your information, depending on what, if it is a motor car, you fill in car insurance, maid insurance, you fill up the maid details. If there are any underwriter questions, verification, you can fill up that. If you want any documents to be uploaded, all is configured in the previous system. So if you have any documents to be uploaded, you can just attach a document, all done, done, done. Last will be just show you the summary. I can download a quotation from here. If I don't want to pay online, I want to review it, especially in the corporate side, I want to get it from my company, I can download this quotation thing over here. Or if you say, yeah, everything is looking good, I can just pay online. You click pay online, credit card integration. We have worked with at least 10 different payment providers around the region, submit, and that's the end of the story. So this cycle, this customer journey can be varied depending on different types of products, depending on how you want. So there is no fix. It's not that hard-coded that you have to follow this. We actually can build things. You can build on your own also. We got all the APIs and every stuff is there. A bit slow. So this is the backend, right? So here when you go to, say, for example, policies, what I'll want to show you is it's all real time. If you see the first policy, right, this is what I just bought, this policy. So on the front end, customer is buying, back end, your sales team is sitting down, they will see what is happening. New customer record is created, new policy is created, new claim is submitted, a new document is uploaded. So if somebody is facing a problem, these guys can straight away can help. There's a bit of a chat also from that website to this one. You can do multi-channel. Somebody buy a policy online, but since we are Asians, right, we want to talk to somebody, you automatically assign it to one of your agents and that agents can call that guy. So there are a lot of those kind of synergistic things you can handle rather than leaving everything to the customers. So that is what putting things, multiple channels into one system is what I can help. If I click on this particular policy, I can see lot more details. I can see the whole customer information, the payment details, the invoicing, or if they stopped halfway, I can see quotations. If they fully completed, I can even see the the policy certificate also attached in here. All in one system. You define the products, you put it up on a website or an app. Once the sale is happening, you see the backend system for all your reporting. This is what Agiliux Retail is doing. We are just outside, sitting in one of the booths, and if you need to discuss, you want to see further more on any of this product, I'm happy to answer any questions. Thank you very much.